If you are ever having any issue deleting or uninstalling apps on your iPhone, in this video I want to show you how you can be able to enable a setting that maybe you didn't know, and maybe whereby if you want to delete any app or uninstall any app, you can see delete option. Normally if you want to uninstall or delete any app on your iPhone, you just come on the app and press and hold it. Then you will see this pop up here, and you will see here remove app. You will tap on this remove app. But you can see on this very phone here right now, I can't see this option that says delete app because there's a setting that I didn't enable. So to be able to enable this setting, I just come here and go to my iPhone settings. I'll tap on these settings here, and on these settings here I will scroll a bit down and I will see screen time. You will see a screen time. I'll tap on this screen time here, and now on this screen time here I will scroll a bit down and you will see here content and privacy restrictions. I will tap on it. If I tap on it, it loads. Now on these options here, I'll tap on this iTunes and App Store purchases. I'll tap on it, and if it opens, you can see here the first option says installing apps is allowed, but second one says deleting apps is not allowed. So I'll tap on this deleting apps here. So I'll come here and tap and allow it, so and wait for like 1 minute or less. Now if I go now, for instance, to delete or to try to delete or to try to uninstall apps, you will see that right now I will see, or I will find delete option. For instance, if I tap on this Chrome here and hold it and come here and tap on this remove app, for instance, you can see right now I can see this delete app option, which initially it wasn't showing. Initially it was only showing remove from home screen. Now if you remove app from home screen, it doesn't mean that the app has been deleted. It means that the app has been removed from the home screen, which if you go to your app store, for instance, and search for the app, you will see it. So if you are ever having any issue on installing or deleting app on your iPhone, don't worry, just carefully follow this method or steps and you'll be able to enable that setting so that your apps can be able to uninstall again. So guys, if this tip was powerful, please make sure you click like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.